Video number 4. The top 10 Teespring automation tools. 1. T-View. T-View Photograph joins together various t-shirt campaigns of Teespring from Google and Twitter by presenting and promoting them as a single platform. If you want to advertise and earn from t-shirt campaigns, you can sign up without any cost. After you log in, name your t-shirt campaign, add t-shirts, and start promoting. T-View separates your t-shirt campaign according to the latest update. Best selling ratio, best selling numbers, only goals reached, and only active. It is integrated with Mixpanel Mobile Analytics, which allows you to get detailed analysis about your t-shirt campaign. If you don't want to advertise some of your t-shirt campaigns, T-View can archive them. If you are not happy with T-View results, you can also cancel your account. 2. Audience Insights. Facebook Audience Insights is a terrific tool to discover your niche that you absolutely need to target. It helps you determine which audience is interested in your Teespring campaign according to demographics and geographical location. The greater Teespring insights you acquire, the better off you are when conveying your promotional message to your audience. You can look for a prospective audience that lives in your local area and target them according to their interests and last purchase to boost sales and brand awareness. Facebook Audience Insights analyzes your t-shirt campaign demographics, page likes, location, languages, and purchasing methods. You can learn about the audiences that are available on Facebook, following your page, and predefined similar audiences. 3. T-Profit. T-Profit allows you to create your own t-shirt campaign within 3 minutes. You can begin your t-shirt campaign by paying less than $1 a day. Look around, and you can download a new shirt every day at a low price and upload that to your Teespring campaign. It provides unlimited resale rights, complete access to the product, high quality and ready-to-upload designs. It also offers newsfeed graphics, a great Facebook ad copy, campaign-focused call-to-action graphics, and an online t-shirt editor to assist you in creating a targeted campaign by editing the t-shirt designs to help you stand out from others. 4. The T-Titan. The T-Titan is all about boosting your Teespring t-shirt campaign performance by using Facebook ads. Here are 4 tools that help marketers run a successful t-shirt campaign. T-Shirt Searcher. Discover unrevealed t-shirt ideas on eBay, Amazon, Facebook, and other websites. Idea Maker. Automatically produce more than 100 convincing t-shirt layouts within 60 seconds. Auto Designer. Create a ready-to-upload PNG t-shirt design layout in seconds. Auto Model. Auto-generated Facebook ads to get low-cost clicks. At first, you need to opt for a secret niche. Then, create the t-shirt designs by using Idea Maker and shortlist the designs. Now build a t-shirt design with the help of Auto Designer. After completing the design, you can promote your Teespring campaign on Facebook with the help of Auto Model. 5. Google Analytics. Google Analytics can assist you in managing the presence of your Teespring campaign on Google. With Google Analytics, you can target your prospective audience based on their geography, language, device, demographic, interests, and behavior. You can get real-time analytics of each Teespring campaign and know your cost per acquisition, conversion, in-page analytics, traffic sources, referrals, and much more. You can also integrate your campaign with social media to enhance your campaign profits and boost your t-shirt campaign. 6. T-Ad Master. T-Ad Master is used to quickly create high-quality Facebook ads for your Teespring. It saves you time and money so that you can pay attention to the important things. It also offers A/B split testing to optimize the ads for every t-shirt campaign. T-Ad Master provides conversion-optimized templates to get higher click-through rates, model templates, and an elements library. It enables you to import your Teespring campaign in just one click. You need to follow 3 steps. First, opt for the Facebook newsfeed banner template. Second, upload your t-shirt campaign by embedding your Teespring URL and add a t-shirt image into the template. Third, you are now ready to advertise. Download the banner and upload it on Facebook Ads. 7. Facebook Ad Tools. To boost your Teespring campaign sales, Facebook is the best way to advertise your t-shirts. You can look for prospective audience and segment them according to their demographics, location, interests, hobbies, and other criteria. Many successful Teespring campaign owners make use of Facebook ads to advertise their t-shirts. There are 2 types of Facebook ads: newsfeed ads and right-side column ads. You should create a particular Facebook ads campaign for each individual Teespring campaign. You need to set your budget and ad position with a targeted approach. You can include many ads in a single ad set or create multiple variants of an ad to find the most effective. You just need to create an image, manage a Facebook page, and start promoting your Teespring products. 8. T-Inspector. T-Inspector is a dominant Teespring research software. It immediately reveals secret advantages and saves time with your Teespring business. Extract your Teespring t-shirt campaign data from TView, Google, etc., and categorize them according to the maximum sales to identify the top sellers. Now you need to look for promotional ads to drive traffic towards your Teespring campaign. You can quickly find hundreds of lucrative t-shirt designs. T-Inspector allows a hover preview that saves you time. You can also look at a campaign's real-time data preview with a click. T-Inspector is made with a Wanelo search tool to discover unique design ideas and a data achiever tool to analyze the daily sales of your competitors. There are some more tools such as logins and bookmark tools, databank tool, Bitly trackers tool, and FB code tool. FP traffic notifies you about Teespring sales, so you do not need to refresh the page again and again to know the sales analytics. You will get a notification from FP traffic when a sale is done. All you need to do is use FP traffic extensions. Add those Teespring campaign URLs for which statistics you want to be notified and analyze. The extension shows a pop-up window with every sale, and it also defines how many shirts you sold after the last notification. You can use FP traffic extension with Teespring Facebook page to expand your advertising area without any cost. 10. InstaViral. InstaViral is all about Teespring t-shirt designs with resale rights. To set up a profitable Teespring campaign, you need an ardent niche, great targeting, and superior quality t-shirt designs, and you will achieve all of these things in one package. In the InstaViral package, you will grab available-to-use niche-precise designs. T-shirt drafts are adaptable to make them absolutely exclusive. All designs are in PNG format so that you can directly upload them to your Teespring t-shirt campaign. Get premium designs and proven niches with ready-to-use Facebook ads that make targeted marketing a breeze. You can also be specific with your t-shirt designs, such as holiday-specific designs, 30 dog lover Teespring designs, 80 A to Z occupational Teespring designs, and more than 100 USA sports team designs.